Hi everyone! So today we're going to make brownies! The ingredients are the following. So the tools we are going to use are a spatula, a whisk, a microwave, 2 bowls, and something to measure your milk. So first we are going to put in this egg and crack it open and then whisk it. So after you finish whisking the egg, add milk, brownie mix, and butter. So now we are going to pour this brownie mix into this box. So lastly, we are going to put this box into the microwave and heat it for 4 minutes. So finally, we're going to cut the 4 sides of this paper and then put it on this cooking paper. So now we're going to put in this water and chocolate pencil into the microwave and melt the chocolate pencil. So now the chocolate pen is melted. So now I will decorate the brownie with the chocolate pen and also put on some nuts and dried fruits. So now our brownie is made! Yay! I look forward to everyone making it as well. Thank you for watching!